Hi, and welcome to LearnEnglishABC.com. Today we're going to talk about animals and the name of animals in English. In the field was a cow. Elephant. The elephant has ivory tusks. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Tiger. Every tiger has unique stripes. A lion. A male lion has a mane and a female lion has none. Monkey. There are more than 260 kinds of monkeys. Camel. There are two types of camels. One with one hump and one with two humps. Zebra. Experts say there are 3 species of zebras. Kangaroo is an indigenous to Australia. Bear. Today there are only 8 surviving species of bear in the world. Wolf. There are 3 kinds of wolves in the world. The gray wolf, the red wolf, and the Ethiopian wolf. Fox. The best known species of the foxes family are the red fox, the Arctic fox, kit fox, fennec fox, and the gray fox. Buffalo. 3 species of buffalo exist. The water buffalo, the Cape buffalo, and the American buffalo, also known as a bison. The bison, American bison, is only found in North America. Horse. There are over 350 breeds of ponies and horses in the world. Common names you know: thoroughbreds, quarter horse, Morgan, Arabians, saddle breeds, and a Tennessee Walkers. Pony. A pony is a horse that is under an appropriate or exact height. Alligator. Today there are 2 species of alligators in America and China. Crocodiles are found in tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and the Americas and Australia. Pig. Types of pigs are wild boar, warthogs, and pygmy hogs, and domestic pigs. Cow. There are over 800 different breeds of cow and cattle in the world. A bull. A bull has testicles. A cow has an udder that can be milked. A goat. There are over 250 breeds of goats in the world. Sheep. It's believed there are more than 1,000 different breeds of sheep in the world. Dog. The World Canine Organization states there are 322 different species of dogs. Cat. There are over 35 types of cat in the world, including wild cats. Duck. Over 160 types of ducks are in the world today, though some may become extinct. Chicken. There are a total of 39 different breeds of chickens, and there are more than 19 billion chickens on the planet. Hen. Hen is an old term for a chicken. Cock, commonly known as a rooster. Pet. Any domesticated or tamed animal kept for companionship. Bird. There are over 9,000 bird species in the world. Owl. Today, there are 216 different types of owls in the world. Snake. There are 3,000 different types of snakes in the world, and some 350 venomous and or poisonous. Crab. There are over 4,500 species of crab in the world and are found throughout the world, typical semi-tropical regions. Fish. There are over 28,000 different types of fish and many deep sea that have yet to be discovered. Shellfish, crabs, crayfish, lobster, shrimp are crustaceans. Turtle. There are several species of turtles that need to breathe air to survive. Ant. There are more than 12,000 species of ants exist in the world today. Bat. Bats make up 1/5 of the mammal population on Earth. A fly. Talk about a pest. There are about 120,000 different types of flies in the world today. Mosquito. There are over 3,000 species of mosquitoes in our world. Insects. It's estimated that there are some 10 quintillion insects in the world. Quintillion is 1 followed by 19 zeros. Thank you, and all of this information is in type on the website of learnenglishabc.com. Please utilize the website as an English second language student. There are over 6,000 words on the website, and we appreciate you visiting. Thank you again. See you next time.